Let's fry some shrimps. Hello, welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. And today we are frying some shrimps for our stew. Trust me, shrimp stew is very delicious. So after watching this video, if you're interested, please go through the videos and watch my shrimp stew recipe. You will love it. That is what we use this for. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my shrimps, and we are going to clean or wash it very well, okay? Because we don't know where it is coming from. So you have to clean it very well. To start with this, I'm just going to cut the legs and any other part that I don't want in the video, okay? So just watch it on the screen and then you are good to go. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. I'll then go ahead and then remove the veins, okay? I remove the veins from the back, and I saw some at the, should I say the chest, or anyway, you will see it in the video, okay? So we will remove the veins, we will cut the legs, we will cut every part, and then we are good to go. Some other people do not want the scale, so you can as well remove the scale if that is what you want. If you want me to bring you how to remove the scale, let me know in the comment section and I will share that with you. So if you don't want the scale, you can just remove it. If you don't want the head, you can as well cut the head and you are good to go. With this particular type of shrimp, okay, if I will eat some, it is only the head that I can eat because you don't want it very meaty, and this is very meaty. So with the head, it is not meaty. So the family do not want it with the head, but I always keep the head on because I am there to help them out. That is just by the way. So I'll continue everything. I'll continue just like how we started and then get done with everything behind camera. And when I am done, I will get back to you so that we can proceed to the next procedure. If you've watched me till this point and you've not liked the video yet, oh my goodness, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the like button for me, and I will be very, very grateful if you do so. Okay, so please do that for me. They don't take money. Leave me your comments in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. Other people also try to ignore all those things that I did or I am still doing, okay? They don't cut the legs, they don't cut the head, they just wash it and then they are good to go. Yes, it won't do anything to you. If you chew the legs, it won't do anything for you, okay? To you, it won't do anything. Ebeye bibi akagana fo yinewu. Yes, it won't do anything to you. So if you want to just wash your shrimps and then fry it just like that, sweetheart, you can go ahead and do so. It will never do anything to you. We share short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube short, which I know it will be very interesting for you. So please do well to check it out and thank me later, okay? So as I said earlier, I am just going in behind camera, continue with the work. When I'm done, I will get back to you so that I will share with you what to do next. So after 5 minutes, I am back, and this is what we have. I have washed my shrimp very well with lemon juice. I can't stay away from lemon juice. After washing it with lemon juice, now I'll just go ahead and add some salt to it. Wait for it some few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and then you are good to go. After 3 minutes, I strain the water from it, and now I'm frying my shrimp. So simple to do so. If you don't want the tail, just go ahead and cut the tail, okay? Any part that you don't want, just discard it. It's your own food, okay? Are you still with me? If you are, thank you so much. I'll be very grateful if you like the video, if you've not yet done so, and share to others. Leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Now that has been in the oil for some time now, and this is how it looks. Okay, some people want their shrimps just like this. Okay, not very well fried, not very well. I don't want to use that word. Okay, so let's say not fried very dry. Okay, so they don't want it very dry, they want it just like this, but we are going to fry it a bit dry, and that is what we want. So when you are frying yours, just go for how you want it. Okay, yes, as you can see now, it looks absolutely delicious already. And as I told you earlier, we used this for shrimp stew, which was very nice, especially if you pair it with fried ripe plantains. Oh my goodness, it is so good. Yeah, as you can see, yes, this is how I want mine. Just the head. No, the shrimps itself, I don't like it because it is very meaty. Now, after some few minutes, our shrimp is almost done, and just look at that. So perfect. In case you see any fly around, please pardon me. It is normal because we are cooking outside. So many people ask for the difference between shrimps and prawns. Okay, with the prawns it is very meaty, but with the shrimps it is not. Okay, so prawns are very meaty than shrimps. Shrimps are also meaty, but prawns are meaty than the shrimps. Now it is ready, and we are just going to take this out. So before you take it out, you have to make sure that your strainer, colander, or your paper towel is ready for you to put this on, so that the oil can strain very well. With the rest of the oil, I mean the oil that will be left, you don't have to discard it. Okay, just use it to prepare some stew or anything that requires oil. Okay, vegetable oil or any oil, and trust me, it tastes so good. Thank you so much. Now our shrimp is ready, and thank you for spending some time with me. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I do appreciate you, and I will see you in the next upload. You can't afford to miss it because it is going to be interesting and you will love it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.